This is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on Windows Server 2008 Active Directory. If interested, then listen. Microsoft launch Active Directory from Server 2000 Windows. Active Directory is based on directory structure x.500. x.500 directory structure is based on Xerox. There is forest. Forest is subdivided into trees. Tree is subdivided into domains. Domains are subdivided into childs. Child are subdivided into organizational units and so forth. To install Active Directory in run, you type DC promo. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.